How to fix Instagram story loading problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, turn off your Wi-Fi and then close your Instagram. And now restart your phone, turn it on again, then open your Instagram. And if that doesn't fix it, now let's move to the next step. Go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you found an update here, just click update and then your problem must be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now let's move to the next step. Go to settings, this one for Android phones. Go to apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, click for stop, and go to storage, clear cache. And if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.